Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So this is my official entry for JCat Hollow Queen 2018. So starting off with the foundation, I'm using the Aquasurance Compact Foundation from JCat. This is a new product according to their sales staff, and I'm in the shade Ivory. I really chose the lightest one because again, I'm going for the Ice Queen's pale look. Okay, for the brows, I'm just putting on glue. I'm putting on loose powder over it, and then I'm getting the Quad Spectrum palette from JCat, and I'm gonna use the lightest shade here at it on the area where I placed the powder. And then when I'm happy with my no brow look, I'm just putting on the concealer on my under eye and basically all over the left side, because again, I want this side of the face to be as pale as possible because our Ice Queen is really pale. And I'm just gonna apply loose powder on that area just to set the concealer. Now, I'm just taking a white eyeliner and kind of tracing where I would want my brows to be. And then I'm taking JCat's Pris Metal Chrome Eye Mousse. This is a cream eyeshadow, and I got the shade Poppin Lockin, which is a very gorgeous blue shade, and I'm going to use this as my brow. Okay, so using the same cream eyeshadow, I'm actually going to use this all over this side of my face. So as you can see, I am just creating these patterns or shadings on my forehead and on the sides of my face, on my chin, and down to the neck and my shoulder. And I'm just taking my time building up this color. Then taking a sponge, I decided to press down the eyeshadow and add more of the eyeshadow using the sponge. This added a bit of depth and dimension on those areas. And again, just building up this blue shade. Again, reapplying the blue shade on my brow because I want the brow to be a bit darker. And I'm gonna put this also on my eyelids as my main eyeshadow for both the Ice Queen look and the glam look. And after that, I'm taking this eyeshadow also from JCat called 50 Spades of Grey, and I'm going to put this on my crease and also on my waterline. And I'm also putting a little bit of this gray shade on the areas on my face wherein I placed the blue eyeshadow. Okay, so just taking some glitter eyeshadow, I'm just placing it on random areas on the face. And then I'm using this Fab 5 eyeshadow palette. I'm using the white shade here to just add more whiteness to the look. But the main star of this look is this Aura Glow liquid highlighter. This is in the shade White Goddess, so it's perfect for the Ice Queen, and you'll see how this will make the look really metallic and frosty. So I'm just applying this with a sponge. And then I'm going back to my eyes, wherein I just placed the blue Pris Metal eyeshadow on my waterline as well. And then just building up the color, adding more of the blue all over the areas where I placed it a while ago. And then I just added a bit of the brown from the Fab 5 eyeshadow palette as well on my crease area, and then topped it over with the white one. And here I'm just brushing the falsies that I used for this look, which is also from JCat. I'm trying to make the lashes look as gray or as white and glittery as possible. And then going back to the blue eyeshadow. And then I'm just putting some glitter on my lashes. Okay, now I'm just putting these beads to add more oomph to the look. And then I'm adding more of the Aura Glow liquid highlighter because why not? And adding some more glitters and just blending the eyeshadow with the 50 Spades of Grey eyeshadow. And for the lips, I just placed also the blue chrome eye mousse. Okay, so now I'm moving on to the right side of my face and I'm just reapplying the foundation. And then going back to the concealer palette or concealer and contour palette, again I'm taking the lightest shade here and just concealing my under eye area. Okay, now onto the brows. For the brows, I'm using the JCat Browlyst Style Your Brow Gel Set. So I'm using the darker shade from this set. And then going back to the Fab 5 eyeshadow palette, I'm just using this champagne shade. Then I'm applying the blue Pris Metal eyeshadow all over my eyelids. I'm just using my finger to apply this. After which, I'm placing 50 Spades of Grey on my eyes outer V. Then back to the Fab 5 palette, I'm putting on the brown shade on my crease to blend everything out. Next, I'm contouring my face with a warm contour from the JCat palette. For blush, I'm actually using this red eyeshadow from JCat called Once a Month. And for highlight, I'm of course gonna apply the Aqua Glow Liquid Highlight in White Goddess. This is a very intense highlight, but it's very easy to apply and blend. For my winged eyeliner, I'm using the Rock and Glitz Liquid Liner from JCat also. Then I just applied a little bit of the liquid highlight on my eyes inner corner. Finally, for my lips, I'm using the JCat Lipfinity in LMK 122. And that completes my half and half Hollow Queen look. Hope you guys like this look. Should I get in, I would highly appreciate your support. So that's it for now. See you again next time. Bye!